On top with tori for today, Naija Presido Buhari don yarn am say the PDP woman leader wey bad people kill for Kogi e no good at all. As e tok say make better investigate matter make e shele put. Naija Presido Buhari don give orders say make better check make e shele unto the kill matter for Kogi State, the one wey shele give PDP woman leader Madam Acheju Abu for Wada and Aro Campaign Council, as this one follow the election matter wey shele for the state. E tok say this kill matter so na bad one, as e no get wetin go push person go kill another human being. E con tell us security agencies say make dem do correct and better investigate matter put, as e be say e wan sabi wetin happen, and anybody wey get hand for this one e go face better punishment. President Buhari tok say e no make sense make people no sabi behave well for election time and time wey be say election no even dey shele for the country. Sake of say nobody suppose die, and say this kind thing e con even shele after 2 days wey election don happen, and this one don show say na bad matter and e no like am. E con do pain body matter with the family of the PDP woman leader, as e tok say dem go catch the people wey this kind thing wey dem pull hand, and dem go face better judgment, sake of say this one e no follow politics matter for the country. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as Naija Presido Buhari don yarn am say the PDP woman leader wey bad people kill for Kogi State, this one na katakata matter and e no make sense, as e don talk say make better investigate make e shele put on top the matter sef. Make una come sabi say to continue to dey get this ogbonge informate, so make una like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now visit follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, as our website dey gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.